Hey guys, what's going on? Mike from Altcoin Freedom. In this video, let's get right to it and talk about, can Bitcoin and Ethereum make millionaires in 2018 and 19 like they have in the past many years leading up to these years? Bitcoin and Ethereum have had huge gains that made a lot of money and a lot of millionaires in the crypto space. For example, just Ethereum, from back in November 2016 to 17, you would have saw 50x gains in your money, depending if you had a couple grand in there, you would have saw a huge profit, and a lot of people made a lot of money. Bitcoin, we know what happened there when Bitcoin shot up to 20 grand, the money that was made from some people who were into Bitcoin back in the day. So let's talk about long-term projections, even going out into 2019. Can we see these huge gains as institutional money is coming into Bitcoin and Ethereum, and we'll see some more millionaires and also a lot of other people that just make a lot of profit too. You don't have to be a millionaire. You can make a lot of profit and money that helps you out in life and that you're very happy and comfortable with. So let's look at the market cap today, 371, under 400 billion. That's fine, holding strong, not sinking too much lower under the 370 range. Bitcoin is roughly 8,300, and we have Ethereum at under $700. So a lot of room for those to grow on what analysts and people are saying in the market. But one thing I want to talk to you guys about is this, guys. Bitcoin and Ethereum, Ripple, and other major cryptocurrencies get a boost from new funds. We know there's a lot of institutional money waiting to come in. There's a lot of funds being established. A lot of people are really laying the groundwork to bring in billions and billions and billions, and actually in time trillions of dollars from outside mainstream public investors, regular average Joe investors who don't believe in cryptocurrency or scared of the market. That money will come once it's more established. So let's look at this. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, and other major cryptocurrencies are expected to get a boost from the launch of two mutual fund-like cryptocurrency index funds, Iron Chain, MioX10 and Iron Chain MioX10 Institutional. Both funds will track the MioX10 index, a market cap weighted index that tracks up to the 10 largest cryptocurrencies, according to a press release by Iron Chain Capital, which is to launch the two funds. That is a bullish development for major cryptocurrencies. For an obvious reason, it will help address multiple barriers to investing in major cryptocurrencies. Guys, that's what Coinbase custody was targeting. There's a lot of people scared for a few reasons, right? And once this stuff in the regulation can be taken care of and ease people's minds, the money will come in. So let's look. Investing in cryptocurrency is complicated for the majority of investors, explains Jonathan Benasaya, CEO and founder of Iron Chain. The four main barriers to invest are custody, liquidity, diversification, and fees. This is huge, and this is what's bringing people in when they see what the money these exchanges, guys, are making billions of dollars, billions and billions of dollars on the exchanges by the cryptocurrency, and the market cap isn't even that huge yet. Can you imagine the money that's out there when trillions of dollars are being traded? Iron Chain's solution addresses those four issues by allowing daily liquidity to all investors without any lockup, with an annual fee of 1%, the most economical of the market. There are no performance nor loading or redemption fees, an index-based portfolio of 10 of the largest protocols with a market cap weighting, and an institutional-grade custody through Expo, Kingdom, and Ledger. With this product, investors can invest in the cryptocurrency market in a product as close as possible to a regular mutual fund. Okay, guys, so what we need to do is get that institutional money in, and the funds are getting set up to bring it in. Let's come over here and look at this institutional investors. Institutional investors to flood the crypto space after the resolution of three issues. What could they be, guys? A pile of money from institutional investors is sitting idly, waiting to be invested in the cryptocurrency space, which, guys, will flood into all of the projects that we're interested in, right? All the main ones. So you guys are in the good projects, I know. So money will come into that as people start pouring it in and learning about this space. Once three major issues are resolved, according to a new study by research consulting outfit Tab Group. The report, titled Crypto Trading Platforms Target Institutional Market, says that 2018 is shaping up as the year cryptocurrencies win over institutional investors. That's why we're having the summits, the census. That's why we're having regulation, guys. People aren't ignoring crypto and blockchain anymore. They're trying to figure out how to make it work. Okay, so that is good. The money will come. The trillions of dollars will come. We just have to see how it's used. Now, Monica Somerville, Tab senior analyst and author of the report, commented, "The word on the street is that a significant amount of additional institutional money is being amassed, sitting on the sidelines, held back by a lack of greater regulatory clarity." We're working on that. We see that happening every day, guys. Institutional grade data and enterprise-ready infrastructure. Okay, the infrastructure is being built. We're seeing it coming out every day, the news of it. Waiting for the right conditions to enter the market, expected to begin happening this year. According to Somerville, the study is the first in a series of reports that would take a closer look at the role of institutional players in digital asset trading markets and the execution platforms vying for their business. Now look at this, guys. Come down here. The revenue is insane. Exceptional revenue is a major motivation for institutional investors. And that's why they're not going to ignore it. But it's going to help bring money in for us too. Let them make their money and let them bring money into the market for us. Somerville also notes that institutional interest has always been piqued by exceptional alpha and revenue. In the cryptocurrency space, the top exchanges are estimated to make as much as $3 billion daily in revenue from trading fees. And guys, can you imagine that kind of money being traded right now? That much revenue, $3 billion daily in revenue from these top exchanges, and our market cap is at about $400 billion, just under $400 billion today. The highest is we hit is $800 billion. Can you imagine, like, we had the projections of in the years, like I'm not talking 2018, 19, but in the years, 5, 10 years. Can you imagine analysts are saying we could have to $20 to $40 million market cap, the money that these exchanges and that would be out there for fees? Okay, that's why people want a piece of the crypto market. Where were we at? Moreover, over-the-counter OTC cryptocurrency markets provide higher spreads or commissions compared to the mature financial markets and investments in digital currencies. And investments in digital currencies offer bigger profit margins because of the lower correlation to other asset classes. Okay, so financial institutions are looking for crypto opportunities. We know that, guys, right? They're all out there every day. Here's some more news. Market researchers tab claim 2018 is the year interest in Bitcoin goes institutional. And that will help Ethereum, right? We know that, the money for the people getting into all the apps. And then people are learning slowly when they come in about the other blockchains you can be on. We can be on Neo, EOS, Cardano, all the other ones. But don't undercut Ether right now and Ethereum for what they're going to be doing too in the next couple of years. According to market research firm Tab, 2018 could be the year that institutional money finally enters the crypto market. Okay, the few reasons why established money managers and the planet's largest powerhouses might not be getting ready to make their move in the space. There are 3 reasons why institutional investors remain cautious. Okay, so we know why they're cautious. Guys, the security, right, and the regulation and liquidity, but all that's being taken care of, and that's all being worked out. And once there is no more reason for the financial institution money to be sitting on the sidelines and we start seeing it pour in, I think we're all going to do very well. Now, the question at the beginning was, can Bitcoin and Ethereum in the next couple of years make more millionaires? What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. If it is 2018, the year of Bitcoin, if this institutional money comes in and we see Bitcoin hit these projections, analysts are saying the big numbers, and Ethereum follows and some of the other alts follow, what are we looking at? But if you're a Bitcoin enthusiast, Ethereum enthusiast, tell me in the comments below. What do you think we're going to see? Are you excited for those 2 coins? Do you have some investment in them? And do you think we can see some future millionaires still from Bitcoin and Ethereum in the next couple of years? Or are you guys seriously just focusing on the altcoins and some other projects that are out there because maybe you're aware that Bitcoin dominance could possibly be sinking over the next couple of years? Or if this institutional money comes in, guys, and they're not as experienced as you and have experience with the other alts and the market in general, and they just keep hearing about the marketing behind Bitcoin, and then they slowly learn, oh, I better buy some Ethereum because I have to get involved in some of the alts, and they don't really know about Neo, Cardano, EOS, some of these other projects. There still could be huge money into our big coins, right? Ether and Bitcoin. So let me know in the comments below, guys. I'm going to be looking for a positive comment to be giving away a free Power Crypto membership and get some of you awesome people back in there where you could be working with our Power Crypto members and sharing your knowledge, getting their knowledge and learning about projects and really getting tipped onto some good things so you can have some success in 2018 in crypto. Guys, like the video if you can. I appreciate that so much. And subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any news. We're going to be putting news out on all types of coins, and one of them might come across your computer one day when you watch one of these videos, and it might be something you're interested in and may help you make a good decision on something in the crypto world. And guys, keep piling up your crypto. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.